1. Hook C/CD pipelines promise faster releases and fewer bugs, but they often fail in real projects. Why? Let's dig into the common pitfalls and how you can avoid them. 3. The simple explanation at its core, C/CD is about automating your software delivery process. Continuous integration involves merging code changes into a shared repository frequently, which triggers automated tests. Continuous deployment automates the release process, deploying code to production automatically. But implementing these processes isn't just about tools. It requires a cultural shift within your team. Everyone needs to understand their role in this pipeline. When miscommunication or lack of clarity occurs, that's when problems arise. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a startup called Technova. They launched their innovative app with high hopes but faced a significant setback. They estimated their C/CD pipeline would reduce deployment time from 2 weeks to just a few hours. However, 6 months in, their pipeline was riddled with issues. Automated tests failed 30% of the time, causing developers to ignore them. Each ignored failure added to the tech debt. Deployment frequency dropped from an expected 10 times a month to just twice. Customer complaints skyrocketed, and their App Store rating dropped from 4.5 to 2.8. The founders realized their C/CD pipeline wasn't just about automation, it was about quality. They needed to fix their process, so they took actionable steps to identify the root causes. 5. What to do instead to avoid the pitfalls Technova experienced. Follow this concrete framework: assess your current process, evaluate your existing workflows, identify bottlenecks. Gather feedback from your team about pain points. Define clear roles. Assign specific responsibilities for each part of the pipeline. Ensure everyone knows who handles testing, deployment, and monitoring. Use a tool like Raji Charts for clarity. Choose the right tools. Select C/CD tools that fit your team's size and workflow. For small teams, consider tools like GitHub Actions or CircleC. For larger teams, look at Jenkins or GitLab C. Implement comprehensive testing, automate unit, integration, and end-to-end tests. Aim for at least 80% test coverage in your codebase. Set thresholds for acceptable failure rates. Monitor and iterate. Use monitoring tools to track deployment success rates and test results. Set up alerts for failures in the pipeline. Hold regular retrospectives to discuss what's working and what's not. 6. Common mistakes. Avoid these 5 common mistakes that can derail your C/CD efforts. Skipping automated tests. Many teams neglect tests, thinking they slow down the pipeline. Fix. Require tests for every code change. Aim for at least 80% coverage. Ignoring team communication. Teams often work in silos, leading to misalignment. Fix. Use daily stand-ups or weekly reviews to keep everyone on the same page. Overcomplicating the pipeline. Adding too many tools can create confusion. Fix. Choose a simple tool set that meets your needs without adding complexity. Lack of rollback plans. Teams deploy without a clear rollback strategy. Fix. Always have a rollback plan in place, using feature flags or version deployments. Neglecting documentation. Without proper documentation, onboarding new members becomes difficult. Fix. Maintain clear and updated documentation for your C/CD processes. 7. Quick checklist. As you refine your C/CD pipeline, keep this checklist handy. Assess current processes and gather feedback. Define roles and responsibilities clearly. Choose the right tools for your team size. Implement thorough automated tests. Set up monitoring and alerts. Schedule regular team check-ins for feedback. 8. Summary plus CTA and summary. C/CD pipelines can dramatically enhance your development process, but they come with challenges. Be proactive, assess your workflow, define roles, choose the right tools, automate testing, and maintain open communication. Remember the lessons from Technova. They turned their setbacks into successes by focusing on quality and collaboration. What's your experience with C/CD? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on streamlining your development process. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.